guys, it's Khushi, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I shoot my videos using this new tripod that I bought. So this is the Digitek's professional DV tripod. The best part is it is portable and sturdy for DV camera, and this is not a sponsored video. And this tripod has a multi-angle central column function, which is the main feature of this tripod. The maximum weight this tripod can take is 7 kgs and the maximum height it can reach is 4.95 feet. The main features of this tripod includes that it has a ball head, steady rubberized legs, multi-purpose head for low-level shooting, bubble head to adjust horizontal positioning, and multi-purpose head for DV cameras. Another very interesting feature about this tripod is that it can be converted into a monopod. As you can see, they've also provided us with a bag in which you can carry your tripod, and this is what the tripod looks like. So you also get few extra things in this bag. This is basically an extender. It is used to extend the rod. So I shoot videos with my phone and I need a mobile holder for that. So I've also bought this mobile holder, and this does not come with the tripod. You have to buy it separately. So this mobile holder can also be attached vertically or horizontally, however you want to attach it. And this is not a spring mobile holder, this is very different. So basically you rotate this and it extends, so you can extend it according to your mobile size. And this is how you can extend your mobile holder, and by reversing the action you can bring it back to its original state. And these are the two attachments from where it can be attached to your tripod. Moving further to how you can assemble the tripod. So this is how you should open a tripod, and that is the ball head. And there are these clips, the red color ones, which you are supposed to press and open the legs. So once you have opened the tripod, you are supposed to rotate this ring and bring the head down. And once you are done with this, again tighten the ring so it does not move. And this is what it looks so far. Now I'm going to show you guys how the ball head works and how you can attach your mobile holder. So as you can see in the video, I'm loosening it up so I can take this ball head up. And once it's all the way up to its desired height, I am going to tighten it. And this is how you can move it to an angular position. So this is how you can move the ball head. There are certain degrees mentioned on the tripod, and you can set it to whichever angle you want. And for the ball head also there is another function to move that, and this is how it moves. And once you have set it in whichever angle you want, you have to again tighten it so it does not move. So the green color portion that you see in this video is basically a point which can be used as a reference point to see whether the angle is in a straight direction. As you can see in the video, I'm showing you guys how you can remove the bubble head. So this bubble head is where you are supposed to attach your mobile holder. So this is the clip. Hold it tightly and simply attach your mobile holder. And once you are done attaching the mobile holder, you can simply put the bubble head back to the tripod. And this is how you're supposed to put it. Now again I'm showing you how to loosen it and how to attach your phone. So I shoot horizontal videos, so this is the direction in which I'm going to attach my phone, and simply tighten it up. And this is how the setup looks like and how I shoot my videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.